Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to schedule a text on iOS 18. To schedule a text on iOS 18, first of all, go ahead and open up your shortcut app. Once you open up the Shortcuts app, go ahead and tap on Automation at the bottom. Click on New Automation to create Personal Automation. Under Personal Automation, select Time of Day. Now set the time you want the message to be sent. Use the timer clock. By swiping up and down, select the time that you would like to set. And after you are done, select how repeatedly would you like to send the message. After selecting one of the options, go to the top right corner and tap on the next button. Now, under Get Started, tap on Send Message. Once you get to this page, go ahead and tap on the recipient's title at the top. Now select the name of a recipient by tapping the plus button and choosing one from your contact list. Or you can also type in the name of the contact. After you do that, click on Done at the top right and tap on the play button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now enter the message on the next page and click on Done. Now after you've typed in the recipient and the message, select Done at the top right, and you will then be able to set up scheduling a text on iOS 18. Now the person will receive messages in the selected time of day, daily, monthly or weekly, according to your preference. So that's how you easily schedule a text on iOS 18 in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.